Everyone like, share and subscribe our channel and ring the notification bell to get notified whenever new video is uploaded.
Good evening students. Today we are going to discuss some questions of exercise 5.1. Okay. Now find the value of I raised to power 9 plus I raised to power 19. I told you when I raised to power something, any number, then we break the power into the multiples of 4. Okay. Then 4 into 2 plus 1. Then I square raised to power, here we write I raised to power 4 into square and 3. Okay. And the value of I raised to power 4 is equal to 1. Then 1 raised to power 2 into I. This is equal to I. Okay. Then I raised to power 9 is equal to I. Plus here we also convert 19 into the multiples of 4. Then 4 4 ja 16 plus 3. Then I plus I raised to power 4 into 4 into I raised to power 3. Then its value will be 1, 1 into I cube. And I cube is equal to I square into I square is equal to minus 1 into I. It means this is equal to minus 1. Okay. Then I cube is equal to minus 1. This is equal to minus I. Sorry, minus I. Then I minus I equal to 0. Then the value of this is equal to 0. Okay. Now understand the next question 7. 1 upon 3 plus I into 7 by 3. This is, what is this? This is the only addition and subtraction of complex number. Okay. Then in addition and subtraction of complex number, we add or subtract only real part to real part and imaginary part to the imaginary part. Okay. Then here 1 by 3 plus I into 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I upon 3 and minus, open the bracket, then this is plus 4 by 3 minus I. Okay. Then where is I? In these three parts there is I. Okay. So these are imaginary part. So we plus these three parts. And where are real part? This is real part. Okay. So we plus them. Then 1 by 3 plus 4 plus 4 by 3. And in these part take I as a common, then 7 by 3. Okay. And then I is common, then what is left here? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. And when we take I is common, it is only I. When we take I common, then minus 1 left. Okay. Take here 3 as LCM, then 1 plus 12 plus 4 plus I. Take here also 3 as a LCM, then here 7 plus 1 minus 3. This is equal to 13, 13 4, 17 upon 3 plus 8 minus 3, 5 upon 3 into 5. Then solution of this question is this 17 by 3 plus 5 by 3 into I. Start the next question. This is question number 12. Find out the multiplicative inverse of this. What is multiplicative inverse? In multiplicative inverse, we change numerator into denominator and denominator into the numerator. Okay. Then multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i is equal to 1 upon root 5 plus 3i. Here this is root 5 plus 3i upon 1. And when question is find the multiplicative inverse, then we convert denominator into numerator and numerator into denominator. Okay, this is the multiplicative inverse of this. And after that we rationalize it. Then root 5 plus 3i, and in rationalization what we do? We do the multiply by its conjugate. And earlier video I told you what is conjugate. Conjugate means change the sign of I. Then its conjugate will be root 5 minus 3i. Okay. Root 5 minus 3i. Then here use the formula a plus b and a minus b. Then this is equal to a square means root 5 square minus b means 3i square. Okay. And this is as the same. Then root 5 minus 3i upon root 5 means 5 minus 3 9i square, and I square equal to minus 1. Then 5 plus 9. This is equal to 14. Root 5 minus 3i upon 14. Again, when you separate it into real and imaginary part, then root 5 upon 14 minus 3 upon 14 into I. This is the multiplicative inverse. Okay. And if question is that find the multiplicative inverse of this of 1 marks, then we can do it by the direct formula. Okay. What is the direct formula? The multiplicative inverse is equal to real part upon mod z square, or you can write a square plus b square. But a square b square means in a plus ib, when complex number is a plus ib, then you can write a square plus b square. Either you can write mod z square plus I into minus imaginary part of z and upon same thing a square plus b square. A square means real part square plus imaginary part square, real part square plus imaginary part square. Okay. Here real part of z. In this question, what is real part of z? Root 5 is the real part. Then here we can write root 5. And real part is root 5, imaginary part is 3. Then here root 5 square plus 3 square. Okay. Also write here minus imaginary part of z is 3. And a square plus b square is same. What is the value of this? Root 5 square means 5 plus 9, 5 plus 9, 14. Okay. Then you get root 5 upon 14 minus 3i upon 14. This is the C. Okay. Then if the question is 1 marks, then you find this method.